Today I'm going to show you a very easy and delicious recipe called orange chicken, which is way better tasting than Chinese version. You can use either chicken fillet or chicken breast for this recipe. I used both mixed. Lightly fry both sides of the chicken. While they are frying, add 3 grated garlics to them. Season both sides with salt, black pepper powder, and saffron powder. I categorize this recipe as a quick and tasty, which you can prepare in just half an hour. Add 1 liter of orange juice and let it simmer to thicken. Half an hour later, add mixture of barberry and pistachio powder, which I lightly fried them in oil and saffron, and a tablespoon of water separately. You can add the pistachio flakes instead of powder if you like. Then cover it with the low heat and let it simmer until it thickens. This tasty chicken is ready as easy as you can see, and you can serve it with saffron rice. I hope you make it and enjoy. Full ingredient list is at the description box of the video.